So how do you get the pronunciation of Champs-Élysées right? What is the typical French pronunciation of Champs-Élysées, the most famous avenue in the world and the most prestigious street in Paris, France? First, let's clear out how not to pronounce it, and that would be Shamps EElisees. Well, it's certainly not Champs EElisees, even though it may look like it at first. Let's have a look at why it is not said this way with some simple French pronunciation rules. Let's start with champ, which means fields in French. In the word champ on its own, both the letters P and S are silent at the end. But because in Champs-Élysées the S is followed by a word starting with a vowel, you make what is called in French a liaison. And you do pronounce the S with the sound Z, like a Z, because it's followed by the letter E. So, Champs-Élysées. The final S to Élysée is silent, and because you have an acute accent on the E's, you pronounce them with the sound A, not E, but A. Overall, Champs-Élysées, Champs-Élysées, Champs-Élysées. If you want to learn more about how to say Paris in French, here is a video about it. And if you want to know how to pronounce some of the most prestigious fashion and luxury French brands that all have stores on the Champs-Élysées, like Louis Vuitton, Hermès, and many more, here is a video you should watch next. I will leave you to it. Take a second to blue thumb this video to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye.